Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the Tarivian Necklace in Crimson Desert. Currently right now I'm on the kingdom of Ademenis right here, which is just around to the east of Hernand. Now currently I haven't really finished chapter 8, so the entire area is just filled with hostile mobs. So if you want to get this necklace in a much more peaceful manner, then I believe you can just finish chapter 8 and then everything would be pretty much docile towards you. Now on this location right now where I'm standing, there is an Abyss Nexus for you to take, and when you teleport to this Abyss Nexus, you can find this house right here that contains the Tarivian Necklace. Alright, now when the area is pretty much clear of enemies, go over here to the left, and there should be a door for you to enter right here, for you to enter the building. You do have to use a key though for you to get inside, and once you've managed to make your way inside, go over to this door right here under the stairs, and over to the corner you can find this wardrobe right here. Once you see this bookshelf right here, you can just push into it so you can get to the other side. Now you can find a strong box right here, which is pretty much a puzzle. Now there are 2 layers to this puzzle. There's 3 at the top and then 5 at the bottom. And the first one you have to press is over here to the top on the far left side. Press it down, and then the one underneath it, and then over here to the top, the middle one, and then the one underneath it, and then to the left. And that should open the strong box. And then steal the small box inside. And as you can see right there, you now have the Tarivian Necklace. Now for the stats of the Tarivian Necklace here, it will give you the ability of Second Wind, which basically prevents you from instantly dying to an enemy attack. Basically when your health turns to 0, it will give you a little bit of health back to save you from fatal death. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Tarivian Necklace in Crimson Desert.